Welcome to Stegback. This guide will walk you through adding a variable product from your seller dashboard. Start by logging into the Stegback Seller Dashboard. Navigate to the Product tab and click Add Product. You'll see 3 types of product listings. Click Read More for details on each. For this guide, choose Variable Product to proceed. Provide the basic product information, including the product name, SKU, category, preferred language, and serialized status. Then, enter the buying price, selling price, select a price template, and enter low stock. Fill out the required shipping information, such as estimated delivery days, weight, unit, and package dimension size. Upload a featured image and additional images for the product gallery. Add a short description and a detailed HTML description to describe your product comprehensively. You can optionally include product identifiers like EON, UPC, GTIN. Specify the tax status by selecting either taxable or non-taxable. Click Submit. Locate your product, then click the 3 dots to see options. Edit, Manage Variables, and Delete. Click Edit to modify product details. Click Manage Variables to handle different product variants. First, you need to define attributes. Click the I button for a guide on creating attributes in the Stegback Seller Dashboard. Select your desired all attributes and click Create. Choose a term and click on the term you need. After selecting all necessary attributes, click Save to proceed to the next step in the product setup. Click View Variations to manage all your products. You have 2 options for adding products: clone or manual entry. Select Clone Product if you are duplicating an existing product listed on Stegback. If your product is part of a group, select Group Product. If it's a single item, choose Simple. Fill in all necessary details. After entering all details, click Submit. Congratulations! Your product is now listed.